Okay, next we are having a compensational method regarding addition. Okay, so we'll see this and we will see the multiplication. Okay, first we will finish the addition, then we will go to the multiplication. So next is compensation method. Okay, so compensation method is like giving a compensation. Okay, what is the meaning for general meaning for a compensation? Actually, if something deserve it, okay, actually something is deserved for something. For example, listen it, for a person or for children, you just assume you having in every family we are having a baby. Okay, so if they will keep on getting good marks, we will give us something to instead of giving a chocolate, maybe we having that tooth problem. So instead of we will giving a chocolate or lollipop, we will give it like some homemade candies as a compensation. No, instead of giving up that branded company chocolates, we will give a homemade chocolates, or we make some sweet from our home. It's like giving a compensation, but exactly not a chocolate, but it's like a chocolate we are giving as a compensation. So exactly this is the same method. Well, when it comes as a sum, you will definitely understand why I am saying it's a compensation method. So compensation is a rounding up number. Is as what we have seen in a previous sum, we are going to make a rounding a digit. So this is also same. So why we here saying a compensation means, I will tell you. When it adds a 9 plus 6, we don't need a compensation method. So you may think, I don't know about compensation, but if you are telling no need to compensation, listen it, I will tell you detailedly. So when it comes to the 9 plus 6, we don't need a compensation method. Why we don't need a compensation method means, if we aim for 10 method, if we add a 1 to here, then 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. So the answer will be a 15. So we don't need a compensation. Why? Then what does mean by compensation method? I will tell you. So here 2-digit number, one is a 19 and another set is a 16. Okay, if we get one number from here, then it will become a 20, then it will become a 15. So it will take us some time to make your calculation. It will not so easy like a aim for 10 method. When it comes as a 9 plus 6, it will be easy, we will get a 15 as an answer. But whereas a 2-digit, it will be somewhat tough. Again, we want to leave a finger. If you are weak in mathematics, is definitely for those people, again you need to make some calculation, like again you want to make your old calculation like to get the answer. Okay, so to avoiding such kind of a step, so we are going to make a compensation method. What is now I am going to tell you compensation. So if I am giving a plus 1, then it will make a round up the number. So 20. So just keep it as 16 here. Just keep it as 16 here, because I have added a 1 to the 19. So this is not a number where I have borrowed it. I doesn't borrow it from any number. I have just add additional 1 to this number, because it's a very closest to rounding up the number. The rounding up number means not only the 10, 20, 30, 40. So any number, it is a rounding up number. Don't think only the 10. 20, 30, the nearest rounding up number we will make it. So I am just adding the 1 to the 19, then it will be a 20. So as usual, if we perform the 20 plus 6, so 6, 2 plus 1, 3, 36. So exact answer for 19 plus 16 is not 36. Why I am not saying 36? Because we added the additionally one number here. So we are going to subtract the 36 minus 1. Now the answer will be the 35. So it will reduce the step. Comparing our old method, it definitely will reduce the extra some more time. Okay, so when you are attending the examinations, it will be very useful. Listen it, I will tell you one more time. So okay, 19 plus 16. So in the compensation method, if we give a compensation 1 to the 19, we will get the rounding up the number 20. Isn't it? Is it true or not? Yes, is it true? So whereas here we just going to add a 16 to the number. We doesn't get any 1 from the any digit. We doesn't borrow the number from here. We just give a compensation to the number to rounding up as a 20. So then the addition will be easy. 6, 3, 36. But the answer for 19 plus 16 is not a 36. Why I have said not a 36? Because we additionally added the 1 digit to here. So we want to make a subtraction, then the answer will be the 35. Okay, so let's do the next problem. You not understand by the one problem, I know it, we'll do it in the next one. For example, 28 plus 15. 28 plus 15. So here we can make a round up. We can make a round up the 28. So by adding a 2, by giving a compensation 2, then it will become a 30. So 30 plus 15 is equal to 5, 4. So exact answer for 28 plus 15 is equal to not 45. Because we gave a compensation 2. Now we want to reduce the compensation from the total answer. So 45 minus 2 is 43. So the answer for 28 plus 15 is equal to 43. Okay. So next, listen here. For example, 24 plus 13. So we can make a round up by giving a compensation as a 6. Okay. So if you make a calculation as a 30 plus 3 after adding 43, again if you want to reduce the 6. So it will be take a few more time. So of course we cannot do this kind of compensation method. We cannot apply this compensation method here. Okay, so because if again the number is going to be big means again we want to make a calculations, and the step will be additionally going one more time. When a number is going big and big, the additional we have a step. So it does not apply very closest number like a 28, 27, 28, 29. From this number we can give a compensation and we can make a subtraction, because a minus 3, minus 2 is not a very huge things. So when it comes like this kind of a number like a 24 plus 13, 22 plus 13, we can make a round up. For example, we can make a 20 as a round up, isn't it? And then we will add a 13 to it. 3. Then again you want to make a 4, but it's not any tricks or easy method to follow. For your feel that I need not to perform our old method, you can make it like here. Okay, so 37. So this is not a compensation method. This is not a proper tricky method. I'm telling the additional method of thinking. You may think it on this way when it comes as a 24 plus 13. Okay, so we have seen about the first thing, we have seen about aim for 10 method. Okay, aim for 10 method. And now we have seen about a compensation method. So when it aim for 10 method, we want to round up the given number from by the 10. We want to round it up whether we want to add the number or we want to subtract the number, but our aim is to get the 10. So whereas here a compensation method, we are additionally giving a number. Additionally we giving the number. So when it comes as additional, we want to follow it 7, 8, 9. Whether the 2-digit number, should end with a 7, 8, 9. Then only we will reduce the steps. Okay, if we keep on adding extra number like a previous 6 and 8 means it will need a extra more step to make the actual result. So it will take a time. So when it comes as a 27 or 37 or 48, 58 or 69 or 99, then you can use the compensation method, and then next you know about the next procedure. Okay, so please remember about it. Aim for 10 method is we want to aim it for 10. It is a compensation method. We are giving a compensation to the number, but the number should be end with any 2-digit number that should be end with 7, 8 and 9. Okay.